Amazon Kitchen finds you actually need. If you love discovering great products like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to stay updated. This is the magnetic knife holder. With strong enhanced magnets, this knife holder securely holds multiple knives. This is the 4-in-1 knife sharpener, a versatile tool that sharpens your blades with ease, while the included cut-resistant glove adds an extra layer of safety. Your knives will always be in top condition. This is the knife organizer. Designed to hold up to 9 knives, this compact organizer fits neatly in your kitchen drawer, keeping your knives safely stored and easy to access. This is the spoon rest with lid holder. It keeps your countertops clean by providing a dedicated spot for your cooking utensils and pot lids. This is the bowl holder clip. These heat-resistant, non-slip clips securely hold hot bowls, plates, or dishes, making it easy to handle hot cookware without burning yourself. This is the crab utensil rest. A fun and quirky addition to your kitchen, this heat-resistant silicone spoon rest holds your utensils in place while you cook, preventing spills and messes on your stove. This is the stove counter gap cover. It fills the gap between your stove and countertop, preventing crumbs and spills while being heat-resistant and easy to clean. This is the stovetop cover for electric stove. Protect your glass cooktop with this heat-resistant silicone mat, which also doubles as a drying mat. It keeps your stove clean and scratch-free. This is the stove knob covers. These knob covers prevent children from accidentally turning on the stove, adding extra safety to your kitchen. This is the pumpkin scraper glove set, a complete carving kit that includes gloves for both adults and kids, making it easy and safe to clean and carve your pumpkins. This is the pumpkin carving toolkit. With 13 stainless steel tools and 10 templates, this set makes carving pumpkin designs easier and more fun. This is the tap beverage dispenser. Transform your melon into a fun party centerpiece by using it as a keg for iced tea or cocktails. It's perfect for parties. This is the retro mini fridge cooler. Perfect for small spaces like your office or dorm. It can hold up to 6 cans, is portable, eco-friendly, and 100% Freon-free. This is the mini portable dishwasher. Ideal for apartments or RVs, it's compact, requires no hookup, and offers 6 different washing modes, including baby care. This is the precision induction cooktop. With precise temperature control, shatterproof ceramic glass, and multiple wattage settings, it's perfect for fast, safe cooking. This is the pull-out spice rack organizer. A sleek slide-out design that keeps your spices organized and accessible, making meal prep more efficient. This is the pull-out cabinet organizer. It's expandable and heavy-duty, designed for easy installation with adhesive nanofilm. Keep your pots and pans neatly stored and easy to reach. This is the under-sink organizer, stackable and perfect for storage, with 8 movable dividers to fit any of your kitchen needs. This is the mini waffle maker. Compact and easy to use, it heats up fast and delivers perfectly sized waffles every time. Make breakfast with fun without the hassle. This is the hot dog and bun toaster. With a retro design and mini tongs, it can toast hot dogs and buns, as well as cooked chicken, veggie sausages, and more, all in one easy step. This is the breakfast sandwich maker. It lets you customize your sandwich with ingredients of your choice and is perfect for English muffins, croissants, or mini waffles. This is the egg dispenser. A space-saving solution for your fridge, it neatly stores and dispenses eggs with a rolling design that ensures the oldest eggs get used first. This is the egg cracker tool. Designed to crack and open raw eggs with one hand, it separates eggs quickly and cleanly without mess or wasted shells. This is the golden egg maker, a portable egg scrambler that mixes the yolk inside the shell, giving you perfectly golden boiled eggs without cracking. Simplify your cooking. This is the 3-in-1 wrap organizer with cutter. A sleek bamboo holder for plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper, complete with a built-in cutter and labels. This is the adhesive push towel hooks. These sturdy hooks easily attach to your kitchen walls, making it simple to hang hand and dish towels without damaging your surfaces. This is the grocery bag dispenser. A handy organizer for grocery bags, designed to neatly store and dispense plastic bags in your kitchen cabinet or pantry. Keep your bags organized. This is the microwave splatter cover. This collapsible, vented silicone lid keeps your microwave clean by preventing food splatters while reheating meals. This is the microwave egg poacher. It's a convenient tool that perfectly poaches 2 eggs in minutes without boiling water or using a stove. Save time on breakfast prep while getting eggs just the way you like them. This is the pasta cooker. It allows you to quickly cook up to 4 servings of pasta without waiting for water to boil or dealing with sticky messes. Achieve perfect al dente pasta with minimal effort and 0 frustration. This is the butter spreader. This butter stick holder evenly spreads butter on pancakes, waffles, bagels, and more. It's a quick, mess-free way to get even coverage on your favorite foods. This is the large butter dish. This ceramic dish with a silicone-sealed lid holds up to 3 sticks of butter, keeping it fresh on your countertop. It combines style and offering a simple solution for keeping butter soft. This is the butter slicer dispenser. It features a stainless steel blade and simple one-click design, perfect for slicing and dispensing cold butter or cheese. Ideal for quickly making breakfast. This is the jalapeno corer. It features a 2-in-1 design for coring and cleaning jalapenos with ease. This is the apple cutter and corer. Featuring 12 sharp blades and an anti-slip handle, this tool slices and cores apples effortlessly in seconds. This is the mango slicer. With a simple design that removes the pit and slices your mango in one step, it's perfect for quickly preparing without mess or hassle. This is the divided serving tray. With 8 compartments, this portable tray keeps snacks, fruits, and nuts neatly organized, making it a must-have for parties or snacking. This is the 3-tier serving tray set. Its collapsible, sturdy stand and sleek porcelain design make it great for showcasing fruits, desserts, or appetizers in style. This is the brie baker, a crafted ceramic dish for baking and serving gooey, melty brie cheese, ideal for adding a touch of elegance. This is the bread buddy. This bread container keeps your bread fresh for longer by preventing it from getting squished and stale, perfect for small loaves. This is the bagel slicer. Its sharp blade and effortless slicing make it safe and easy to cut perfect bagels every time. This is the bread slicer. With a foldable design, built-in crumb tray, and 3 slice thickness options, it's the perfect tool for neatly slicing homemade bread, cakes, or bagels. This is the meat chopper, perfect for breaking down ground beef, turkey, and more, without sticking to your pan. This is the large salad spinner. It quickly cleans and dries fruits and greens, helping remove bacteria for fresher, healthier meals. This is the potato ricer. It presses and mashes potatoes to perfection, giving you smooth, lump-free mashed potatoes every time. This is the coffee mug organizer. Stack and organize your mugs to save space and keep your cabinets neat and accessible. This is the cord organizer. Keep your appliance cords tidy and your counters clutter-free with this easy-to-use stick-on organizer. This is the kitchen appliance sliding tray. Easily slide out heavy appliances like coffee makers. This is the spice drawer organizer. It keeps your seasoning jars perfectly arranged in any drawer or countertop, so you'll always find the right spice without the mess. This is the pot rack organizer. This helps you customize your kitchen storage, making sure all your cookware is easily accessible. This is the drawer divider. These adjustable bamboo dividers easily fit drawers from 17-inch to 22, helping you organize kitchen tools and more. Keep everything neat and easy to find. This is the grape cutter. Safely quarters grapes and small fruits, perfect for toddler meals or cake decorating. This is the vegetable slicer cutter. A 2-in-1 tool combining scissors and a cutting board for quick, easy chopping. This is the cherry pitter tool. Removes pits from 6 cherries at once, making fruit prep fast and hassle-free. Thanks for watching. If you found these kitchen finds helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next one.